Hello students, after completing the 10th class biology syllabus, now in this part I am going to start the new questions as well as the question based on the chapter from the biology. Firstly we will ask the question based on the life processes, chapter number 6, life processes, चैप्टर फ्रॉम बायोलॉजी 6th 10th क्लास. तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन यहीं से राइज होता है कि लाइफ प्रोसेस क्या था. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज डिफाइन लाइफ प्रोसेसेस. डिफाइन लाइफ processes. You have to solve all these questions. In this video I will ask some questions and you have to solve all the questions in your rough notebook. As the school will open, I will check this question in your notebook you have done or not. Clear? The first question is life processes and the next question is what are the life processes? What are the life processes and give some names. Give some names of life processes. Clear? And the next question will arise. What do you understand by digestion, respiration and excretion? You have to solve all these questions in your rough notebook. And the next question will arise, how you can differentiate something is living or not living. What are the criteria on which you can say that these are the living beings and these are non-living? The features on which you can distinguish between living or non-livings. Livings or non-livings. Clear? You have to write all the features on which you can distinguish between these are the living beings and these are non-living beings. You have to solve in this. Again I am going to say you that you have to solve all these questions in your rough notebook. The next question will arise, what is photosynthesis? What is photosynthesis? And also write the chemical equation which take part in this reaction. And also write the chemical reaction which take place in this process. यानी लाइफ फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस के अंदर कौन कौन सी केमिकल रिएक्शन कौन सी होती है उसको आपने एक्सप्लेन भी करना साथ में. क्लियर? द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, what are the criteria, what are the substances needed by the plants in photosynthesis? What are the raw materials required by plants in photosynthesis process? Clear? And the next question, how you can prove that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis? How you can prove that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis process. You have already done these activities. And next one question is, how you can prove that CO2 is necessary for photosynthesis? Question number 8. How you can prove that CO2, carbon dioxide, is necessary for photosynthesis? You have all these activities in your rough notebook with the labeled diagram. Clear? Next question is rise. What do you understand by nutrition? What is nutrition? What is nutrition? What is nutrition and how many types of nutrition and how many types of nutrition? Explain each type of nutrition. Clear? Then next one is differentiate between herbivore, carnivore and omnivores. Yeah, define herbivore, herbivores, carnivores and omnivores with the examples. Clear? Now next question will arise. Question number 11. What do you understand by stomata and lenticels? What are stomata and lenticels? You can also say that lenticels. Write also the function of these. आपने इनके फंक्शन स्टोमेटा लेंटिसेल्स के क्या क्या फंक्शन है वो भी आपने मेंशन करने हैं. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. What are the criteria, what are the phenomena occur during the photosynthesis process? What are the processes or phenomena occurred during photosynthesis process? Next, draw a suitable diagram of a stomata. Draw the labeled diagram of the stomata. All the diagrams you have to draw with the help of pencil, not by the pens. Question number 14. You have already always given the 15 question each day. This is the second last question, 14th question, and this question is why the alimentary canal का जो स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन पोर्शन है, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन is smaller in carnivores than the rather than herbivores. क्योंकि कार्निवोर्स के अंदर स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन छोटी क्यों है, किसकी वजह? हर्बिवोर की वजह. यू हैव टू सॉल्व दीज क्वेश्चंस. एंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज name the movement by which food moves in our alimentary canal. Name the movement by which food moves in our alimentary canal. You have to solve all these 15 questions each day. If there is any problem, you can ask any questions answer on my WhatsApp number. Firstly, you have all these. You have to solve all these questions in your rough notebook. As the school will open, I will ask. I will check these questions you have done or not. Clear?